If you're looking for the ultimate Christmas present this year for your child, you may just have found it. This is the RCB R9X Pro electric dirt bike. It comes in a different range of colours. This is a big wow surprise for any child this Christmas. But before we get riding, let's rewind and take a look at what we get. It arrives in a pretty standard box. It's packed really well and securely. Everything inside is protected with foam to prevent it getting scratched or damaged. Getting it out is pretty straightforward, and you can instantly feel that it's solid and it doesn't feel like any cheap toy. It feels and looks like a proper mini motorcycle. You don't need to be no mechanic to put it together. Follow along with the instructions and it's quite very simple. They provide the Allen keys and spanners that you need to put it together with. I did it, so you can. There's not too much to build, to be fair. It's just basically putting the handlebars on and putting a wheel on. I would say 20 minutes and you're good to go for a bit of riding. Now that we're all built up, let's take a look at some of the features. We've got some 12-inch wear-resistant tyres, which offer serious grip on grass and dirt. You get a 350-watt motor that sits neatly in the frame. I love the fact that it comes with rear ignition keys, that you pop it in, turn it, get it going. Just adds that big bike feeling for the kiddos. You've got a working horn. And you've got a twist and grip accelerator, which is really responsive and smooth. But of course the real test is the ride. Fortunately for me, I'm too big to get on it, but as you can see here, my son loved it. He's putting it through its paces. It handles bumps really well, which is thanks to the DualShock suspension. And also, parents, you're asking, what speed does it go? Well, there's 3 speeds. You've roughly got 6, 9 and 12 miles per hour. We started slow but put it through its tests at each one, and I have to say it's stable and punchy. They say the battery is quite solid too. They claim about 10 miles of range, which is plenty for an afternoon of fun. So guys, for the price, especially to petrol alternatives, the R9X Pro is a beast. It's quiet, it's clean, it's powerful, and enough to keep your kids entertained for probably many years. So if you're struggling to know what to get your child for Christmas, this could be it, guys. Please go ahead and check out the link in the description below and grab yours now. Make your child's Christmas special. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a very Merry Christmas. Take care.